Hey all, I just wanted to ask you to do a quick thing with your token, or with your little icon here. So I want you to do this because if I do it, you won't have power over changing them. So if you click here on on whichever token is yours, and you go to tokens, click on that, you can add a token. So it's just like a small symbol. So we're gonna go here and go to icon, and we're gonna put here, and I'm gonna make this red, and then you put over here on edit text or a label, you put like a number. I don't know what Jessam's stamina is, so I'm gonna put 22 for now, or I'll put 20, keep it even. Boom, and that's it. And then go back, and as you can see, they have 20 HP right there, or stamina. And then go back to here, and then I'm going to add another one. This one's going to be for luck. Let's see, which one should luck be? I wish they had like a coin of some sort. Luck. I guess it could just be a dice, couldn't it? That would sort of make sense. Dice and luck go together. So we'll click on that. I'm going to make the, oh, whoops, wrong button. I'm going to make this one blue. And how much luck do I have? I'll say, I don't know, but 13 is sure the luck. And that just gives me an idea so I can see easily, just right down here, how much stamina and luck you have at any given time, instead of needing to go and check your character sheet every time I need to wonder about that. If you could all do that, that'd be really handy. Thanks.